Around 8 a.m. yesterday morning, Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas docked in Cozumel, Mexico, the first cruise ship to do so in 15 months. Hey everyone, this is Chris with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Now this is going to be just a short, quick story for us today, so let's get right on into it. So after spending 2 days at Royal Caribbean's private island of Coco Cay, Adventure of the Seas headed towards Cozumel, Mexico to dock there after a long 15 months of no cruise ships and the very needed tourism dollars that comes along with cruise ships docking there. The return of a cruise ship to the port was a very welcome sight to the shops and excursion providers that rely on the millions of visitors that cruise ships bring there every year. For now, port calls are limited to only once a week until more cruise ships begin sailing here in the upcoming weeks. But that definitely did not stop any of the excitement from the fact that cruise ships had returned to Cozumel finally. So just like here in the United States, these folks at the cruise ports that have the shops, the excursion companies, the restaurants, the taxis, and all of the tourism there in Cozumel has essentially been shut down for 15 months, just like it has been here in the United States. They have not had any cruise ships or any of the tourism business. So for them to finally get a cruise ship back in port, even if it is just one for right now, is a huge milestone and is just the start of what is going to come here in the coming weeks. I personally will be on a cruise ship in September that is going to Cozumel, and I really like Cozumel, and I'm truly looking forward to getting back to that port and enjoying one of the awesome excursions that they do offer there. All right, I hope you did enjoy this quick, short video. If you did, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.